shawarma factory. Today, I'll take you behind the scenes to show you how we transform fresh ingredients
Seals look good on this one. -2 Celsius steady.
Okay, scanned and logged. We are clear to move to the next pallet.
Morning, pull it into bay 2, please. Watch the pallet on the right.
All right, thanks.
We need the beef shipment cleared first. Move it to conveyor 1.
Okay, pulling the spices now. Watch the forklift behind you.
Watch your left side with that pallet.
Got it. Staging area clear for the next one.
The color on the lamb is excellent, and the chicken texture is firm.
Agreed. Everything looks good for release.
I've logged the latest shipment of raw meat. The stock levels are updated in real time.
This one is ready for trimming. Okay, I will send it through. This one has too much fat. Removing it now.
Good catch. Keep an eye on that section of the line.
Keep an eye on the alignment over there.
Already on it. Everything is running smoothly.
Check the uniformity on these slices.
Looks good, except for this piece here.
Did you get the sample from the latest batch?
Yes, the seasoning balance seems perfect today.
The pH is slightly high on this batch.
Let's check the viscosity before the taste test.
Pressure on tumbler 3 is slightly low.
I'll adjust the vacuum seal now.
There we are. The optimization is complete. The absorption rate should be much higher now.
Excellent work. Let's monitor the first batch closely.
The citrus notes are prominent, perhaps overpowering the savory base.
I agree. The texture, however, is excellent, very tender.
That layer looks good. Nice and tight.
All right. Perfect. We are all set here.
Check the alignment on line 3. Looks good from here, Supervisor.
This one is slightly underweight.
Let me add another layer to the top.
The diameter is consistent, but the integrity seems low on the chilled samples.
I agree. The frozen ones held up better under the tap test. I'm starting the pour on this one.
Okay, I'll prep the next batch now.
The consistency is holding steady. Good, I'll update the log.
This one is slightly off. Remove it for reprocessing.
Got it. The others look good, though.
this batch is looking perfect.
Yes, the heat is distributed evenly now.
We are running low on the onions. Can you get some more?
Sure, right away. These look great.
Yes. Thank you for joining us on this journey inside our shawarma factory. We hope you enjoyed seeing how fresh ingredients and